Hey guys, today we're going to learn about something super cool and super important, your body. Your body is like the most amazing machine ever made. And guess what? You live in it every single day. Your body lets you run, jump, play, think, laugh, sleep, and even dream. So let's talk about the main parts of your body and what they do. We're gonna be using simple examples to break them all down. First, let's talk about your brain. Your brain is like the boss or the leader of your whole body. It tells you everything you need to do. Like, let's say if your body was a video game, your brain would be the controller of that game. If you are in the class, when you want to raise your hand, your brain sends a little message saying, okay, hand, time to move. When you want to solve a math problem, your brain helps you think. When you feel happy or sad, that's also your brain giving you those feelings. So your brain helps you remember things like your teacher's name or how to tie your shoes. Without your brain, nothing else would work. So just remember, brain is the boss of the body. It tells you what you need to do. It controls your movements and your thoughts. So when you want to raise your hand, that's your brain telling your body to raise your hand. When you feel sad, that's your brain again sending you a signal to be sad because something happened. And your brain helps you feel and remember things like your teacher's name. Next is your heart. Your heart is about the size of your fist. So make a fist and take a look and see how big your heart is. And guess what? One more amazing thing you need to know about your heart, that it never stops working, even when you're asleep. It's like a tiny little pump inside your chest. The heart pushes blood all around your body. You know that inside your body filled with blood. So what the heart does, it pushes the blood from your brain to your feet and from your feet to your brain. So all around the body. And the other comparison that would be good to make is like, imagine that your blood is a delivery truck. So it brings oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of your body that your body needs. So when you run or play, of course, your heart is gonna pump a little faster because your body needs more oxygen during that time. So test it out. Try to go for a run and jump, and then put your hand on the chest and compare how fast your heart is beating now versus how slow it was beating before you start running or jumping. So remember, heart is a tiny pump. Heart sends blood and oxygen everywhere in your body, from brain to your feet, from feet to your brain. And remember, when you run, it beats faster. Moving on. Then we have your lungs. Your lungs live in your chest and help you breathe. So if your heart kind of like in the middle, then on the left and on the right side from your heart, you have lungs. So basically your heart is located between two lungs. So when you take a breath in, your lungs fill with air like a balloon. They take the oxygen from the air and give it to your blood. When you breathe out, your lungs push out the air your body doesn't need anymore, which is called carbon dioxide. It's kind of like blowing up and squishing down two balloons all day long. So if you run fast, again, your lungs are going to be working harder because your body needs more air. So remember, lungs help you breathe. They take in oxygen, and they always work harder when you play, run, or jump. And just make a note, when you run, you breathe more often versus when you go into sleep. Your breathing is actually pretty slow. Now let's talk about your stomach. Think of your stomach as a food blender. When you eat something like a sandwich, your stomach starts mashing it and mixing it so your body can take the good stuff from it, all the nutrients and vitamins. After your stomach breaks down the food, your body uses the nutrients to help you grow strong and have energy to play, which is very important. Stomach. So remember, breaks down your food, gives your body energy, and helps you grow strong. Moving on, your muscles. What do your muscles do? They help you move. You have muscles everywhere, in your arms, your legs, your face, even your fingers. When your brain tells a muscle to move, it tightens or relaxes like a rubber band. That's how you smile. That's how you kick a ball. That's how you wave high or climb on the playground. So remember, muscles help you move, work when you run, they tense up or relax. It just depends. And smile and play. So anytime you make a movement, even with your face, with your legs, muscles help you do that. Moving on, your bones. So bones are like the strong frame or skeleton that holds you up. If you didn't have any bones, you wouldn't be able to walk again. You'll be just like a slime, you know. All your muscles, they won't be able to hold your body in place without the bones. So again, bones are a strong frame that holds you up and doesn't let you fall down and become that gushy, moist slime. Without bones, you would be a floppy pancake on the floor. That's another good comparison to it. Bones keep your body in shape and help protect important parts like your brain and heart. For example, your skull touch your head. Do you feel how hard your head is? That skull protects your brain. So that way when you hit your head, you don't hit your brain. You just hit that skull, which is again made of the bones. And touch your chest. Do you feel that your chest is hard too? That's your rib cage. And rib cage protects your heart and lungs. So remember, bones are body's frame. Bones protect all the organs we have inside. And bones keep you standing. Okay, next, your skin. The funny part about the skin is nobody knows that skin is actually an organ. Just like your heart, just like your lungs, just like your stomach. And skin is the largest, biggest organ in your whole body because it covers your whole body. And what does it do? It protects you like a shield, like an armor. It keeps germs out. It keeps your inside part safe, and it helps you feel things. So when someone touches your hand, your skin sends a message to your brain saying, someone touched us. Try to test it. Ask somebody to touch you when your eyes are closed and you can't see. So even though you can't see, you can still feel when somebody touches you. Isn't that amazing how complicated our bodies are? So remember, skin, it's a body shield or armor. It protects us from germs and it helps us feel, like touch or other different things. And finally, we have 5 senses. So your eyes, your ear, your nose, your tongue, and your hand, which help you touch. So your eyes help you see. Your ears help you hear. Your nose help you smell. Your tongue helps you taste. And your skin helps you feel what's around you. That's why sometimes when you touch the stove, it's hot. You take your body away from it because you know it's gonna hurt you. And that's your brain sending you signal. Don't touch the stove. It's too hot. So you use these senses all day long. Like when you smell some yummy food or feel the warm sun or hear your name called or see your favorite toy or taste ice cream. So it's very, very important to use all those 5 senses because they keep you safe in today's world. So putting it all together, just think about it that way. Your brain thinks and controls everything. Your heart pumps the blood in your body. Your lungs help you breathe. And your stomach helps you digest food. Your muscles help you move. Your bones hold you up. Your skin protects you. Your senses help you understand the world around you. So your body is always working for you, even when you're sleeping. That's why it's important to take a good care of it. So you need to eat healthy foods so your stomach has good things to work with and have enough nutrients. Move your body so your muscles and your heart stay strong. And of course, get plenty of sleep so your brain can rest between those hard math tests. And be thankful for your amazing body, because it really does a lot for you every single day. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.